Everyone says go back to school. But at 46, with debt and no savings, that is the worst advice. Here is what I'm doing instead. People mean well. Get your master's, learn a trade. But honestly, I don't have the time, the bandwidth, or the money to go back to school. Been there, done that. I have two college degrees already. I needed more income now, not in 2 years or 4 years. I don't want more debt on top of the mountain that I already have from the 2 degrees that I already have. Plus, there's no guarantee of a job, right? You go to school, you learn all the theory, you learn all the things, but then you don't have the experience and you don't have all of the whatever. So, there's no guarantee that you're gonna get the job that you've spent all the time and the money to go get, right? It's just this perpetual cycle. Plus, I'm 46. I would have to compete with 22-year-olds that don't need the level of income that I want and need. And let's all be real, ageism is a real thing. And the other thing is that when you go to school, you're learning all the textbook stuff, right? You're learning the theory, you're learning all of the things behind, but real world applicable skills doesn't come from school. It comes from life. I found a program that teaches me how to make digital income and it teaches me real life applicable skills. I don't have to spend hours behind the computer learning. I don't have to spend any time in the classroom. I get to watch simple videos and then I can turn around and apply the skills that I learned immediately. And I have the ability to make money right away. I don't have to wait until I have the certificate or wait until I have the degree and then apply and get the job and all of that. This is my own business. This is my own thing where I learn simple step by step skills and then I apply them and I'm able to do whatever I need to do around my busy life in the nooks and crannies of my day because it doesn't require a whole bunch of time. It doesn't require a whole bunch of setup. You don't have to have tech skills either. I used to think that in order to make money online that you had to have tech skills. And yes, maybe 5 or 10 years ago that was the case, but things have changed now. Things are shifting digitally. Things are moving to the digital world. So I decided to move with it. And it has become the biggest blessing because now I see how my husband and I can travel full time and we can get back on the road. We did that for a few months, but I didn't know anything about the digital space. I didn't know how to make money online. I didn't know how to do anything like this. And then I found this amazing program that is teaching me all of these skills. And I still don't have to be techie and I still don't have to have a whole bunch of time and a whole bunch of money invested into it. And the greatest thing is that I can do this from anywhere. I can do this from our RV. I can do this from my backyard. I can do this from anywhere in the world as long as I have my phone and some Wi-Fi. So, are you feeling the pull to do something different? Are you bored in your job? Do you want to be more successful? Do you feel like you're made for more, but you don't want to go back to school? You don't want to spend hours in front of the computer. You've already done that. You already have degrees that you're not using, right? And you don't want to spend more money. You don't want to put more money into your pile of debt. I have a way that you can learn how. I would love to show you how to make digital income where you don't have to invest a bunch of time, you don't have to invest a bunch of money, and you can do this in the pockets of your day. And you don't have to have tech skills, and you don't have to be some crazy influencer or anything. Just be a normal person. I would love to show you how to do that. So, the Free Freedom Blueprint is linked below. I also have some other really fun resources down there too of how I'm making money and how I'm learning all of these awesome, fun things. I am having a blast learning how to make money online and learning a skill that I never ever thought that I would ever do. 3 years ago, when we were traveling, if you would have told me that I'd be making money online so that I can travel full time, I would have laughed at you. I would have been like, well, that sounds like, that's just too good to be true. But really, it is a reality. The world is shifting digitally. Like, come learn how to do it too. You can do it. I'm 46. I'm just your average normal lady that has a couple college degrees that she's not using. So tell me in the comments, what is some terrible advice that you have been told when you tell people that you need to make more money or when you tell people that gosh, I really just feel like I'm made for more. I really just want to do something different with my life, but I just don't know what to do. And I've already done the college degrees and I feel like it's too late. Drop in the comments and let me know. I'm really curious. And I would love to answer any questions that you have about, making money in the digital world. So I hope you have a really blessed day and we'll see you in the next video.